It's a Top That Trade Day. Joining us now, our top players, Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com, and Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network News contributor. Round to number one, guys, in our trader game, Powell Put or Christmas Pause. What do you see for the holiday season that presents profit plays?
Well, I think this presents, and you get it, Christmas presents, some positives here because we're seeing positives in price action. I'm not a policy guy. We've always been about what the destination is and what longer term, what futures are telling us that rates are going to actually decline back down to the 3% level when you get out to 2025. And we see the 10-year note yield down here at 3.5%. So a lot of positives to build on. And I think the Fed's done its job in 2022.
Yeah, I was amazed he didn't mess it up this time. You know, last time he was in a press conference, everything was going good. Then the last questions, the market fell apart.
Just stop talking.
But the most exciting thing, I think, what he said, basically, and this is kind of a big takeaway from what he said before, is that he thinks now that maybe we can actually engineer a soft landing. You know, so what that means is all the doom and gloom people on the stock market that sold all their stocks looking for the Great Depression probably got it wrong. And at least after Powell's speech, that's what the market is saying. And the market is actually out of bear market territory. So we're back in a bull market in stocks. Who knew how quickly things can change with just one sentence from the Federal Reserve Chairman?
Round number two, strike it. The Mississippi River has been said to be too thick to drink and too thin to plow. What does that low water level mean for market opportunities?
Well, it means that the grain markets could see substantial move higher.
Right.
You know, we're talking a lot about the rail strike in recent weeks and what that can do to the economy, but the low water levels in the Mississippi has reduced grain exports to a world that really needs grain right now. So this has had a big impact. Our expectations are that the Mississippi will reopen and we'll see the grain start to move, and we're already seeing signs of that. But make no mistake about it, we still have a very tight global grain market. A lot is going to depend on Argentina, and their weather conditions haven't been that great. And if you don't see some rain in Argentina, you could see some food inflation start to creep back into prices.
Is that a song, Rain in Argentina? But also...
Don't Rain on Me, Argentina. Yes, it was a great hit.
The rail stocks could benefit from this, obviously. And if you look at CP, it's been trading between 60 and 80 for 2 years. So break out of this range targets 100s. There's some upside potential there. And then if we want to look, obviously the Dow Industrials have had a major comeback, and we're 20% off the lows and only about 7% off the highs. That's pretty amazing.
Round number three, crypto or cars. The crypto crash has started a luxury car sale by the crypto bros. What do you think is the better buy? Ford, GM, or Bitcoin?
Well, the crypto bros, they had inflated the prices. If you want a G-Wagon, I was never a big fan. Inflated the prices, and those have come back down because they're trying to raise some cash. But from a stock standpoint, I like Ford. Ford's 45% off its January high. It's been trading between 10 and 15 now. A breakout of the range target's 20, and we're at 14 right now. And the PE is 8. Get back to PE. PE is 8 on that stock.
I think one of the best trades that I made was selling my car. The used car market was exploding like a year ago.
Sell high.
I think I sold the top of that market.
Right.
I did. And you know, to be honest with you, I was looking at the prices of cars, and they were offering me ridiculous amounts of money for the car. I'm like, yeah, take it. You know, here, I'll give you a price. You want it? Take it. You know, and those prices have crashed. And of course, these crypto guys, they were really good spending other people's money, right? We had this crypto universe where they were spending money like crazy, buying the best of champagne, and all of a sudden when the market goes back, boy, you know, it reminds me of the old line from the Honeymooners, I was a millionaire for a couple of minutes. So I hope they enjoyed it. But I think Bitcoin is a good buy. I think the pullback right now and the risk on sentiment coming back in the market means that Bitcoin is probably a really good buy down here. I also like Ether as well.
Here's your bonus round question for today. It's a yes or no answer. Is paper money made of paper? Yes or no?
No. Cotton fibers.
Phil?
Yeah, it's made out of little fiber stuff.
Oh, you guys are so good at money. The answer is no, because paper money is actually made of cotton and linen fiber. So great job to you. Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.